How to fix Facebook data not showing on Android. Hello everyone, wherever you are. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your device. After this, open apps option. Here on apps option you have to search for Facebook. Open then Facebook like this, scroll down and click on storage. On storage now guys, go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click also OK, and now you have to go to battery and you have to click optimize it like I'm doing, and after this you will problem it will be solved. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another video.